In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your LinkedIn profile image into a cool looking video like this, and that's all coming up right now. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, and this video is all about how we can change our LinkedIn profile image that you can see here on my profile into a 30-second video clip that you can see has already started to autoplay now. Now, the autoplay function only lasts 3 seconds, and the idea is someone then can click on your profile cover story video and see the full 30-second video. So the videos actually play on all devices. So I'm showing you this here on my desktop. So the video will actually play on desktop, mobile, and tablet. But to actually upload it, you need to do it via tablet or your smartphones. So here we are on my iPad, and if I now click on the orange circle, up will come a pop-up that says you can view or edit your cover story video. So let's click on that and see my 30-second video that's currently playing now.
Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for viewing my LinkedIn profile and also for watching this video, which is a new feature LinkedIn have released, and it's called a profile cover video. The idea is we can all now record a quick...
There we go. So it started to autoplay straight away. So you want to get to the point straight away. So we do have a few options. So we can either view or edit.
Hey there, Mark Warnken.
Let's have a look. We can edit the preview by zooming in, that type of thing. What else did it give us the option to do? We've already got one. We can add a new video and it will replace the current one that I've got. Or we can delete the video altogether. Let's delete the video altogether, and I can show you from scratch. So I've deleted that video, hence you can see now the plus icon next to the profile photo of me. So let's click on the plus icon and add a video from my iPad. And it's uploaded that same video again, so let's press stop. So there's a few different options that we have. You can add some text, just like you would do on stories on Instagram or Twitter, that type of thing. So you just type in, you can make it minimal, headline, retro sizing, classic, that type of thing. I'll let you play around with that. What else does it give us the option to do? You can add some stickers, not overly functional, I suppose, compared to Instagram and all the others. You can add a mention of someone, so you can tag someone in the video as well, that type of thing. Anything else? Now, down the bottom left, if we click on all LinkedIn members, you want to make the video public. You don't want to make it private. You want everyone on LinkedIn to have the opportunity to see your 30-second video. Who you are, what you do, or how you help. Or it could be a current special you're having. It could be a seasonal promotion. It could be having a call to action to go and check out your website or like myself, my YouTube channel, that type of thing. So now you can only do it vertical though. So the video, most of us do videos horizontal, but you can only do it vertical. I've resized it correctly. Let's add to profile, and it's just saying it will take a couple of seconds. And the orange circle has reappeared. So if we tap on the orange circle, up will pop the video again.
Thanks for viewing my LinkedIn profile
And that's how simple it is to change your LinkedIn profile image to a 30-second video. It has a bit of a funny name, LinkedIn cover story videos. I just like to shorten it down, just maybe say a LinkedIn profile video. Go to the comment section below, let me know your thoughts. As always, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're watching it on LinkedIn, don't forget to send me a connection request as well. Let's click upload.